So we're down here in Greenwich in southeast London. This is just an update video of our project we're currently working on. So what we did on this project was customer removed all of the Pebbledash off of the brickwork by himself. Then we came in, brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour, cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks with Mashing London stock Imperial bricks. Then repointed all of the brickwork in natural lime mortar in a penny roll finish. So I'm just going to give you a little close up of how that now all looks. So as you can see, once again, another perfect finish to the brickwork as always. Lads are coming in tomorrow just to finish this project off. So what we're going to be doing is just tuck pointing the two arches on the top elevation. So finish that off with a nice bit of tuck pointing on both of the arches. A bit of render work around the reveal where the customer took that off himself, removing the Pebbledash. So we'll restore that window arch reveal all the way round. And then that's going to be another job finished to the highest standard as always. So customers are really happy with how this has all come out. Still drying now, the pointing, so it's going to take a week or so to dry out naturally, but as you can see, nice clean finish. We saved a lot of bricks here for the customer, so the lad's done really well sanding back the bricks and saving quite a lot of bricks. So if you'd like a free quotation, or you've got any questions, or you like the look of this project, just give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.